Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome also to our topic, how to find the number of term and ratio in geometric series. So without further ado, let's go to the problem. Okay, so our first problem in this topic is if the sixth term of a geometric series is 160 and the common ratio is 2, find the first four terms of the sequence. So our problem here is the first four terms of the sequence. Okay, so to solve this problem is we need the formula of the geometric sequence, which is the A sub n is equals to the A sub 1 first term, multiply that with the common ratio raised to the number of terms minus 1. Okay, so in this problem our A sub n or the last term is 160. Okay, so this is our last term. Then we do not have the value of A sub 1, that is the missing. We have the value of R, which is the common ratio, which is 2, as well as the number of term, which is 6 minus 1. So this is the number of terms, which is 6. Okay, so 160 is equals to A sub 1, multiply that with 2 to the power of 5, this becomes now 5. Okay, so you may calculate the multiply 2 by itself 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 32. Okay, 160 is equals to A multiply that with 32. Okay, so next let us multiply 160 first, then A sub 1 multiply that with 32, it becomes now 32 A sub 1. Okay, so let us write it here. 160 is equals to 32 A sub 1. So to isolate A, we have to divide both sides by 32. Okay, so this is 32. So we can cancel. Why cancel? Because you may divide 32 divided by 32, that is 1. So take note that a variable has the coefficient of 1. Okay, so 160 divided by 32, that is 5. So this is 5. So therefore our A sub 1 is 5. Okay, did you get class? Okay, so if the fifth term about geometric series is 486 and common ratio is 3, find the first four terms of the sequence. So pare-parehas lang ang atake natin. So we will use the geometric sequence formula. We have the A sub n is equals to A sub 1, multiply that with the common ratio raised to number of terms minus 1. Okay, so our A sub n, which is 486 siya. So ito siya. Okay, so next our a sub 1 which is missing, but we have the common ratio of 3 and our in which is 5 minus 1 kasi nandito siya, fifth term. Okay, so let us bring down la for 86. Okay, so this is sub 1 multiply that by 3 to the power of 4. Okay, again just get the calculator. You multiply 3 times by itself. 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. 3 times 3, that is 9 times 3 again, that is 27 times 3 again, that is 81. Okay, so 81, so 486 equals to a sub 1 times 81. This is now 81. Okay, so next, just write it here, 486, then let us multiply a sub 1 times 81, that is equals to 81 times the a sub 1. Okay, so again, to isolate the a sub 1 is we need to divide it by 81. Divided by 81. Okay, so 486, you divide it by 81, so the result is 6. So therefore our a sub 1 is 6. Sulat natin ng maayos. Okay, makakancel na itong 81 divided by 81. Okay, so nakuha guys. So that is the missing term, which is 6. Okay, so let us proceed to problem number 3. Now we are tasked to determine the number of terms in geometric series. So in this problem, we will use the geometric series formula, which is the a sub n is equals to a sub 1 multiplied that by 1 minus r, the common ratio, raised to the power of n, over 1 minus r, or the common ratio. Okay, so given is the sub n, which is negative 61, I mean 62. So this is plus sub n. Then given also is the sub 1, which is negative 2. Then 1 minus given also is the common ratio, which is 5. So this is 5. However, we do not have the value of n. Okay, so right. So this is 1 minus 5. Okay. So dito na lang, dito natin sa itaas. So this is negative 62 equals to negative 2 times 1 minus 5 power of n. Then 1 minus 5, that is negative 4. Okay. So to eliminate this denominator negative 4, let us multiply it both sides. Then this one also. Multiply this by negative 4. So we can cancel this one. So let us get the calculator. Negative 4 times negative 62. So the answer is positive. This is positive 248. Okay. So dito na lang. So this is negative 2, 1 minus 5 n. Dito na lang. Ngayon, let us divide also both sides by negative 2. So negative 2. So maka-cancel na siya. So positive 248 divided by negative 2. So that is negative 125. So what is left is 1 minus 5 to the power of n. Now let us lipat natin yung positive 1 to the left. So it becomes now negative. Sorry, this is 24. 24. And 2, 4. So becomes negative 1. So 5 na siya, negative 5n. So pag i-add natin yung negative 124 sa negative 1, that is negative 125 equals to negative 5n. Now we can use also the idea of exponential. So this is 5 in 3, negative 5 equals to lang. Medyo nagahangpas siya. Ito na. So that is negative 5 n. This is 5, negative 5. Nagahang siya. Ito lang class. Ano lang muna natin. Ito na. So 5 ito. So as you notice, equal ang base niya 5. Puro silang negative 5. Pwede natin makancel ito, yung both sides. So, our n is 3. So, that is our number of term, 3. Nakuha, class? Okay. Okay, so let us proceed to the next, the same process. Determine the number of terms in geometric series. Okay, so we'll use the formula of the geometric series. So you have s of n equals to s of 1 divided by 1 minus r raised to the number of term over 1 minus r. Okay, so we have our s of n, which is negative 4. Negative 4,095. Okay. So our is of 1, which is negative 3. So mahirap lang. So mayroon tayong 1 dito. Tsaka yung common ratio natin ay 4. Ngunit wala tayong number of terms. Okay, so this is 1 minus 4. Okay. Ilitan lang natin. Negative 4,095. So this is equals to negative 3 times 1 minus 4 to the power of n. Now let us subtract 4 to 1, that is negative 3. So negative 3 siya. So we can cancel this negative 3 and dito. Okay, so the remaining is negative 4,095 is equals to 1 minus 4 n. Now write 4,000 0.95. Then ilipat natin itong negative o positive 1 sa left dito, so it becomes now negative 1. Then 4 to the power of n. So this is negative 4,096 na siya, is equals to 4 power of n. Okay, so alam na natin na ang base dito sa right ay 4, so kurang ilagay natin dito. Ngayon, ano lang natin, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So ano siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ang power niya dito sa 4. So 4 dito n. So kung makikita nyo, tingnan natin ha. Oh. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay. So positive. So ngayon, equal ang base nila. Pwede na natin itong ma-drop na 4. Then let us write the exponent. So therefore, ang n natin is equals to 6. Yan ang n natin. So I hope na nakuha niyo class kung paano hanapin yung number of terms sa problem doon sa geometric series. So I hope that you learn also from this video presentation. Until next time, thank you for watching.